Morning routine. I wake up early every morning. I brush my teeth after waking up. I wash my face. I take a shower. I get dressed for the day. I comb my hair. I make my bed. I eat my breakfast. I drink a cup of tea or coffee. I check my phone for messages. I prepare to go to work or school. I say goodbye to my family. I leave home at 8 o'clock. I take the bus to work. I reach the office on time. Home and family. I help my mother in the kitchen. I clean my room every weekend. I wash the dishes after dinner. I talk with my family after work. I watch TV with my parents. I play with my younger brother. I call my friends on the phone. I help my sister with homework. I read stories to my children. I spend time with my family every evening. I cook dinner for my family. I take care of my home. I love my family very much. I visit my relatives on weekends. I enjoy family time at night. Work and study. I start work at 9 a.m. I study English every day. I write notes in my book. I attend my online class. I talk to my teacher politely. I listen carefully in class. I ask questions when I don't understand. I work hard to improve my skills. I take short breaks during work. I help my co-workers when they need me. I check my emails every morning. I finish my tasks before leaving. I submit my homework on time. I use a dictionary to learn new words. I practice speaking English every night. Daily activities. I go to the market on weekends. I buy vegetables and fruits. I cook my favorite food. I water the plants in my garden. I clean the floor every morning. I wash my clothes on Sundays. I iron my clothes before going out. I check the news on my phone. I listen to music in my free time. I visit my friends sometimes. I go for a walk in the evening. I feed my dog every day. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I sleep for 7 to 8 hours. I dream about good things. Feelings and free time. I feel happy today. I am tired after work. I am hungry right now. I am thirsty, I need some water. I am excited about my trip. I am sad when it rains. I am proud of my progress in English. I am thankful for my family and friends. I enjoy learning new things every day. I always try to stay positive. If you enjoyed the lesson, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends learning English.